You want her? I'm telling you how to get her. That's how you get her.
I'm a king.
You found me on TikTok?
Yeah, that's right.
You texted me on Instagram about, I think, a girl?
That's right.
Okay,
Yeah.
go ahead. Like, you have a question, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I've been really confused on like where we stand. I don't really know how to go with it. We would see each other at work, but we kind of stopped that so we wouldn't get in trouble. Then we started meeting after work, and when we meet after work in person, it's great. You know, we do the cute stuff, relationship stuff, but we're not really going out. You know, hold hands, hugs, kisses, whatever. It's all cute. But as soon as we part ways, she just doesn't text me. Flat out doesn't text me, leaves me on read. And the days where we don't work together, we just don't talk at all. And before all this happened, when we barely started talking, it was really good. You know, we would text all the time. We would have phone calls for a long time. We'd be really together at work, but she started distancing a lot. The only times now that we really talk properly or we kind of have any connection is just in person, but it's only a few minutes after work, and then we just part ways.
You guys have sex already?
No, we haven't.
Okay.
We haven't at all.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
How old is she?
20.
How long have you been working together?
Since I saw her, a couple months.
2 months?
Yeah, maybe 3 months around there.
Where do you guys work?
It's like a kitchen.
Okay. Have you ever thought that you're too available?
What do you mean?
I have loved you ever since I've known you, Joe. I couldn't help it.
So what I have the feeling is with that girl is you are chasing. You're chasing. And a lot of times, no matter how often I tell you guys, they will keep chasing until maybe they have a call with me, or they just wake up that chasing doesn't work. Chasing doesn't mean to go for what you want. She's obviously, or was obviously, I don't know at what point you guys are, attracted to you, okay? And there's a way to bring that attraction back. It's just not by keep on chasing. Cats is a good example, okay? Cats are great.
Okay.
A lot of times, if you try to go pet a cat, a lot of cats run away. But a lot of times, if you just sit and chill and be disinterested, the cat will come to you. Same with girls, okay? You are chasing and she knows it, and she knows she got you in the palm of your hand.
That's true. That's true.
So girls, not all girls, there's some girls who are really conscious, and in 200 years, everything will change and dating will change and people will be more conscious. They will not play this chase. They will not play this hide and seek game. But for now, this is how I help you out. If you want the girl, this is how I help you out. You still work with her, right? Are you still working?
Yeah, we still work together.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So here's the thing. Does it make sense to you when I say to you, you got to be a little bit patient and show your personality, but not by approaching her, by giving short answers, maybe not talking to her. And I don't think you do that. I think the moment you come in this kitchen, you're like, yo, I saw this new Marvel movie yesterday. It was amazing.
Mr. Stark, it's perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, we don't really need to start a conversation.
And your energy is all over her and you can't take it away from her.
I used to be like that, but actually, now that you mention it, I did see a difference. Because the other day, I went in and I talked to her a little bit, and I was like, hey, you know what? I'm going to go back to work. And that's where I left it. And then I came back, and then she was more attentive to me, and I was like, huh. I kind of see where this is going.
The light bulb is exploding.
Yeah.
It's like I'm teaching a new way of living over here.
Where do you get these great ideas?
Since I don't have a brain, they're coming from my stomach down deep below and then up again into my mind.
If guys would watch this video more often, guys wouldn't have these problems. So look at you learning like this. Now, I just want you to go from a 20 mph to 130 mph with that. What I mean is, bro, make her crazy. Make her go crazy. Make yourself unpredictable. That doesn't mean like just be cold all the time. But hey, maybe one day you just like, wait, why did you say you go back to work? Wasn't she working too?
Yeah. But we were in different sections. So I just kind of went to visit her section. And then I was like, okay, I'll see you.
Okay, and even you coming to visit her section, I want to smack you right now. Because you are literally going like a little dachshund to her section.
I have loved you ever since I've known you, Joe. I couldn't help it.
Look at him. You're like, hey, I'm here. I'm coming to you. And she's like, of course you're coming to me. And now you want to talk a half an hour with me. And then you're like, I got to go to work. And she's like, wait, what is happening?
Yeah.
Last time he was talking to me for 3 hours. He gave me roses. He gave me kisses in the air. He brought me a piece of pizza out the kitchen. He sang me a song.
You don't love me!
What is going on? He must not let me go to him. Okay? Now,
Yeah, kind of.
now she's confused by, this is how it works. See, she's confused by you being just a little bit less needy. Now, imagine you actually fucking being in your power. What a fucking, you will call me in 2 weeks and you'd be like, yo, Jesse, she's all over me. And then in a month or two, you'd be like, yo, thank you so much. She's my girlfriend. I don't know how to thank you. You know? I have a PayPal.
Yeah, no,
by the
you're
way.
right.
That's how you can thank
Right.
me, sir. So do you understand that?
Yeah, I do. And
Okay.
I think it's just hard to accept. That's it.
What's hard to accept?
Like, it's hard to accept the fact that I gotta be the one that has to pull back for her to, like, go in. You know what I mean?
She's pulling back. She's been pulling back.
Yeah, no, that's
And
true.
now you have
That's true.
moral issues about yourself pulling back? That's here. No, shut up for a second. That's the problem with guys. This is the problem with guys. You guys are raised to be so nice by women and dads, to be so nice and so morally right.
I grew up. My mother raised me, so I have this much respect for women. And I was liking this girl, and I'm extra nice, you know, extra gentleman. I'm extra just like, oh, you're beautiful and you deserve the best.
These girls are literally playing with you.
She told me I was too nice. I couldn't believe it. It wouldn't work because I was too nice. That was the ultimate stab in the back.
And you know the orcas, when they play with their food? That's how they're playing with you. You're being played with, and you like, oh, but I should be nice. I should be nice to her. And then she's like, yeah, let me go fuck that other guy who's not nice to me.
Bitches ain't shit.
Yeah, that sucks, but yeah.
So
I get
here's
that.
the thing. We got to work on your belief system, because how you've been raised is too nice. You Hispanic, right?
Mhm. Yeah.
Hispanic. A lot of my Hispanic guys are very like, and which is amazing. I love it. That's why I love Latinos. They're family oriented, and the guys are family oriented, and they're so romantic, and they think they have to bring the roses sometimes, and they think they have to be the gentleman, and like dance with her and chase her. Nope, 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 no, no, no. I'm gonna say no, like Shia LaBeouf says no in his movies.
No, 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 no. No, 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 no! No, 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 no!
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, because you will not get the girl, and you'll be sad. You'll be sad. And I'm not. You learn from it, but I don't want you to get your heart broken like a million times
But I'm so lonely.
until you realize, hey, let me just be in my power. It's about you being in your power.
We gotta start saying fuck these bitches, man. If you fucking with a cool female, that's all good. But if you fucking with a bitch, you need to break her ass and shake her ass.
It's about you being respectful to yourself instead of being respectful to another person first. You gotta respect yourself. You gotta start respecting yourself, okay? The molds, you're a good guy. I believe you're a good guy. If you're not a good guy, I wouldn't want to talk to you. You know, I don't know you that good, but I hope you're a good guy. I'm giving you the fucking benefit of the doubt right now, okay? That you treating people right, that you're treating people with respect. Everybody who deserves your respect, you treat them with respect. You help people out. People who can carry something, you help them out. I hope that's you. I hope you that person. And now, if you give me a yes to that, and you have a good heart, treat animals right, treat human beings, treat living beings good with appreciation and love, then I'm telling you, stop that moral shit. You're already good like you are, and don't let people treat you like that. Because she's pulling back, you pulling back. You're pulling back further, okay? Because you don't let her play that game with you.
He cursed at me in front of 20 people at this party. She's like, Will, would you shut the up? Ooh. I said, Jada, this is the deal. Will not create a house, a space, an interaction with a person where there's profanity and violence. She was like, well, you're not gonna be hitting me in my head. I said, get out. It's like, wait, so you would break up with me over some words? I was like, I just did. And her eyes welled up with tears. And she was like, okay.
On some point, she will be attracted. You guys will connect, and you can stop playing those games, okay? But you want her? I'm telling you how to get her. That's how you get her. Pull back, always a little bit more. And trust me, she's good at this shit. And you know what she's gonna do? I'm telling you, I'm gonna look in the future right now, and I'm telling you what she's gonna do. You're gonna do this. You're gonna pull back, right? And she's gonna be like,
yeah,
okay. And then you're going to be like, and that's what I don't want you to do. You're going to stay in that conversation because it feels good. Because it feels so good to talk to a girl. And, oh, it's going to be better the longer I stay. No, it's not. Leave on a high point, okay? Leave on a high point. She's going to be confused again. She's going to be like, oh, something's changing. Something's fucking changing here. This guy is finding his power. My pussy's getting wet. I have to approach. So she's gonna come back, right? And this game will, if you stay strong with this game will go forth and back over maybe weeks, but you gotta stay patient because she's testing you. She wants to see, is this guy really the guy who he is? She's gonna test you. She's gonna keep testing you like crazy. Is this guy? Because she has to test you, because before that you were needy. How fast are people changing like that? Yeah, how fast are people changing? Not that fast. Let's see if that motherfucker is actually a man of his power. So she will test you slowly but surely. And you can only do this by really coming to your power. And that's what you can only do by starting to meditate, starting meditation, and changing your belief systems with books of positive aspects, where you every time after meditation, you write down a list. The requirement is only that you feel good, 1 page about the positive aspects about your life. And if you do that every day, you will come into your power, and you will come into your power naturally, and then you will be effortlessly in your power. Do you think I think about this shit? I don't think about it. If a girl's with me, I do things automatically because I'm already in my power. I don't have to do things like that. I don't have to do anything. I just have to be myself. But that's the worst advice, to be yourself. That's the worst, to be yourself to someone who is needy. And people, moms and dads always give that advice. Oh, my son, come here, my son. Gabriel, come here.
Yeah.
You gonna go get that girl. You just have to be yourself. Just bring her roses. Just give her all your attention. Yeah. Go. Bring her chocolate. Yeah, go right now. Okay. And you go, and everybody breaks you up, and you're like, fuck this shit. And why don't you go back to society and be like, hey, mom and dad, this shit doesn't work.
But I'm so lonely.
So this is what's gonna happen. You will be with the girl, and if you stay in your power, at some point it will happen where you guys are boyfriend and girlfriend. But guess what?
All right.
Then she will test the shit out of you. She will be like, oh, Gabe, don't go to the gym. Just hang out with me and do some Netflix and chill. Here's some ice cream.
No.
Here's this. And because you are very, very attached now, because you are so in love with that girl, and she's so different. She changed. She's not the same anymore. She's not the same. You'd be like, of course, baby. Let's watch The Mandalorian.
Stop touching things.
Are you hungry?
I love it so much. I love Star Wars. And you'll sit there and you will, again, too available. And some point she's like, yep, I'm going with Carlos here. Treats me not as needy as you. I'll see you, deuces, okay? And I don't want you to do that. You understand? I want you to stay in your power. And that's what I'm telling you. Start meditating. Start changing your belief systems. You're putting a girl on the pedestal. Is she funny? Does she have an amazing character?
She does.
That's great. Okay, that's a good answer. I mean, I would have had an answer for you if you had the different answer. But if she really has that great of a character, then go for it and you get her. But you want to stay in your power and not put her on a pedestal. Because if you put her on a pedestal, you vibrationally distance yourself from her. Plus,
Mm-hmm.
where's your power? You make her the main actor in the movie. Don't be a bitch. Don't make her the main actor in the movie. You are the main actor in the movie. You are Tom Cruise, the Mission Impossible.
Watch the birdie. Jeez, I cracked myself up.
She's the main actor in her movie. She's Emma
Mhm.
Watson. You can compare it to La La Land. Ryan Gosling still was a fucking good main actor in that movie. And Emma Watson was the main actor in the movie. You both can be the main actors in the movie. Okay? But don't make her the main actor in the movie because she doesn't want you to do that. She might say it because she wants to have the power and security. That's what girls love. But then once she has it, she's like, bye. How are you feeling?
Not gonna lie, pretty enlightened.
I'm a